With the LOQED Smart Lock, you open the door to anyone from anywhere. It seamlessly integrates your smart home devices, giving you a warm, welcome home. As you approach, it already connects to your smartphone. You simply open your door with a touch. You can keep your phone in your pocket. Even when your phone is out of power, you can always enter with your personal code. Hey Google, open the door.
Opening door.
End-to-end encryption and 3-star SKG certification make the LOQED Smart Lock the most secure smart lock you can get. LOQED, the next generation smart lock.